Hi, I'm Lydia from SGT Guides. Today I'm going to show you how we can deliver an immediate full arch provisional restoration without having to do a conventional denture conversion. In this case, the patient still had teeth to be extracted, so we started by placing the base guide. Once we've placed the base guide, then we can perform the bone reduction. After that, we can place the implants, and then on top of it, we can sit on the base guide the immediate provisionals that will be our immediate loaded temporary. So here is an image of the treatment plan done by Dr. DaCosta, our in-house oral and maxillofacial radiologist. So we're looking at 4 implants in the mandibular area, and 2 of the implants' angulation will be corrected with angled multi-unit abutments. In the next sequence, we'll see how this surgery performs on the day of surgery. The first step here is to install our base guide. So we made a key with a little window that's sitting on existing teeth. And that little window makes sure that the base guide is sitting properly before being fixated in the patient's bone. This is really important to make sure that the base guide is in the proper position, because all the other steps are going to follow this base guide. Once our base guide is properly positioned, we can proceed to the extraction of the teeth. The same base guide is now being used as a bone reduction guide. The next step is to properly position the surgical guide to be able to place the implants. That guide is clipping onto the base guide. Unfortunately, the clinician that performed the surgery omitted to take a picture of that step, so we're just going to have to use this one for now. After placing the implants using the surgical guides with the guided sleeves, we can now position, again using the same base guide, a immediate provisional that we can load on the day of surgery. This immediate provisional is delivered with holes around the implant sites, and they're quite larger, so we can have room for adjustments during surgery if need be. And then we're going to be using a product called Stellar DC, which is a dual cure product, and we're going to fill out the empty spaces around the cylinder and cure this, so we get to tack the cylinders with the provisionals. The last step is to remove and polish where the attachments were on the immediate provisional, the attachments that were sitting onto the base guide. So simply cut those off. This is a PMMA prototype. It is reinforced with ceramics, a special material, but it is easily adjustable by the clinician. So all they have to do is remove those little attachments, polish it, and the immediate provisional is now in place. Thank you for watching this workflow. This was the planning and the surgical portion of our workflow. If you're interested in learning more about our prosthetic workflow, that includes only 2 appointments following the surgery, and that is whether you work the digital way or the analog way. Regardless, we have a great protocol for you that makes things easier in less appointments. So if you want to find out, please visit our website at sgtguides.com. You can also email us at info@sgtguides.com or visit our Instagram at sgtguides. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.